How you doing, guys? This is Josh from Kingdom DTF. Welcome one more time to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and also click the bell notification so that way you know when we do new videos out there. So in this video, guys, I just want to talk about really quick the films that they're coming for DTF. They're trying to make different things and different stuff for DTF, because have been in the market, and to be honest, it was a really boom for everyone. And for the factory making the printers, also for the customers printing transfers and all of that, many people have been successful in this. So today I just want to talk about a couple of films that we are getting to test, and if it's pass all the tests that we like to do, that we print, hold the inks really good, got a good washability on all of that, then we put the films on the market on our website. But if the film fail, obviously we don't put it for sale, because we know for sure that if we having problems, you are going to have problems too. And that's something that we here in Kingdom DTF, we do with our supplies. We test it before we put it out there. So we have been in this business now for a time, and every time we put something out there is because we are testing it and pass all the requirements, right? So we have been testing so many films during the past years, so many inks, so many powders, and the one that we got right now currently on our website is the one that we have been keeping and using for ourselves, and also selling on our website. Okay, so that we are the first company here in the US that start doing videos for the DTF printing conversion of the LAT100, and then from that point different companies follow a step, but we were the first one. Then when it came to new products like the glitter one, also we are the first company to bring the glitter one to the US versus other companies, because we like to try different stuff. And we have been seeing this pattern of other companies following us after we put out their new products, so they follow us. So I just want to clarification on this, that it's not because they're copying us or anything like. Well, I got to make a parenthesis there. I remember that some company that I'm not going to mention, when they start copy our entire website and all of that, it was a mess. But again, we are selling glitter DTF films, first company to bring it to the US. And if you can see here, we got some samples of the film, so you can see it. So this is the glitter film. Okay, really nice. You have been doing, watching our videos in the past. We have more videos with this film and how it looks, how it watch, and all of that. The thing is that this film is still coming out to the market, so you're not going to find it like anywhere just like that or so easy. So again, if you want to try this, you can check out our website, because we are the only company selling this right now. So this is the glitter, the sample. You can see sparkle. Also, the film is glossy on the back, but you can see the color it got glitter. You can see it close. It's going to look like it got like just holes or anything like that, but it's not. It's the glitter. We turn on the back. And we can see the glitter. I think you're going to see more here in the black ink. Yep. But again, you know, if you want to try glitter films, we're going to start having these very soon again, because I know right now we are sold out. You know, we have been selling these like crazy. We put it today, and you know, a couple of days they're gone. Another film that we are going to start testing is this one over here. That is the golden film for DTF. So if you can see, it got like a, you know, really base coating. I don't know if the cam is catching that. It looks gold. You see it? It looks gold. So that one is going to be something that is going to give a little bit more a pop-up color. Maybe in that matter of the people that are looking for a gold design or something like that. So I got a sample here that they're sent. As you can see, they're, you know, they printed yellow with gold, you know, simulating that. And on the back we can see that's still a DTF, you know, cured powder and everything. And you can see, if I play, you know, with the light reflections, it looks gold. So I want to see this one press and see how it's going to look, because to be honest, it's something that I have never been seeing for the gold one. And then we got this other film that we can say that is also glitter in a way. We can see it, but instead of the chunk glitter is like a more refined glitter. If you can say that, it's more refined, it's more fine glitter. So for this one, they did not send me any samples, but on either the name or something like that, just call it film and that's it. But you can see the difference between these two. Even this one, you can see here that it's also glossy on the back, but it looks more white. Looks more white than the glitter one. You can see. So chunky glitter, or for me, it's just regular glitter, to be honest. And the gold one. And also we got one that is a temp film for DTF. This one is kind of dark gray, and when you touch it, it changed the color ones. So let me bring it here so you can see it. So you can see this one. I just put it, you know, I just hold it here. You can see that it's really changing. Really changing really fast. So for the color, it's going to be the same. You can see white. But you can see now the design is more bright. So it's going to be something cool, you know, if you want to try different stuff and different things. The same goes to the glasses here. You see that it's changing. And on the back, again, it's dark gray and clear powder for DTF. And this one looks like it got a heavy coating, to be honest. Right there. Crazy, right? So this is, you know, a little update, guys, that I got for you. You know, when it comes to new stuff on the market, we always try to not be the first one to have them or anything like that, because I know that, you know, other companies can have it too. But at least give you an update when it comes something out there to the market. So we test it, and that is what we're doing right now. You know, this one for me, looking at the videos that we did already with the glitter, it's passing. It just passed the test. You know, hold the inks really well, washability and all of that. These two I need to test. Well, these three I need to test and see how it's going to look after press and after we wash it on a shirt, and see how it's going to hold on all of that. So I think that's it, guys, for this video. You know, I want to keep it short, just let you know what we're doing, you know, here in Kingdom DTF. And as always, trying to make videos, you know, that have value content for you, showing you new stuff, showing you things that are going to help you understand better DTF printing, and also that you're going to continue learning from this experience that you have and all of the kind of stuff. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. My name is Josh from Kingdom DTF, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and as always, keep printing. All right, thank you so much, guys.